Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the projector's HDMI input and available USB or external 5V power. This matters because Chromecast needs continuous power. Once done, plug Chromecast into the HDMI port and power it from the projector's USB or a wall adapter. Make sure the projector is set to the correct HDMI input immediately so you can see the Chromecast boot screen. While it boots, have your phone or laptop ready with the Google Home app. You will use it to configure network and device pairing. Next, open Google Home on your phone or laptop and follow on-screen pairing prompts to connect Chromecast to your Wi-Fi. This syncs streaming and casting permissions. Once connected, set the projector's resolution and aspect ratio to match Chromecast output, usually 16:9, and tweak over scan or zoom so edges are not cut off. Also decide where audio should go. Projectors with speakers are fine for small rooms, but route audio to an external speaker or AV receiver if you need louder, clearer sound. Finally, cast content from Chrome, YouTube, or any cast-enabled app by tapping the cast icon and choosing your Chromecast. Playback should appear on the projector. If you notice lag or stutter, move the router closer, switch the Chromecast to the 5 GHz band if supported, and reduce nearby wireless interference to improve bandwidth. If pairing fails or the screen stays blank, reboot the Chromecast and the projector. And as a last resort, perform a factory reset to clear persistent configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.